So let's talk about how to create a watch on a wallet in a simple sense. All right. Why do you want to create watch on a wallet in the first place? Most persons want to create watch on a wallet is for, most times it's always for security reasons and for emotional control. You know, most times our phones get infiltrated, and when your wallet is on your phone, you use your phone to visit a lot of links, visit a lot of websites. Most times you leave it charging somewhere and it can easily get infiltrated. So let's say you buy a coin and then you are trying to save it for a lifetime. So there is need for you to secure your wallet. Most times passwording the surfaces, passwording the interface of your wallet may not be enough security, because once someone have a fingerprint on your phone, they can always open any password or any link on your phone. In such a case, creating a watch on a wallet, getting rid of your wallet from your phone and then creating a watch on a version of your wallet is necessary. And that's what this video is all about. All right, how to actually create a watch on a wallet of any kind. Creating a watch on a wallet is not difficult. You don't need any software, you don't need anything. But before you create a watch on a wallet and getting rid of your older wallet, what you must know is you have to actually save your recovery phrase in a very safe place, somewhere really safe, and you have to make sure that you save it correctly. All right, make sure that you're not mixing the letters, the words, and make sure that you're not confusing the initials of the words. All right, and then after saving your recovery phrase, try re-importing your wallet and see if it actually works. When this is actually checkmate, then you can go ahead to create a watch on a wallet. All right, what you need to create a watch on a wallet is the address of your wallet. All right, now your wallet sits on, let's say sit on a blockchain. Let's say we have a Bitcoin blockchain, Bitcoin network, we have a Binance Smart Chain network, we have a Ethereum network, we have Solana network, and so many other networks. All right, so let's say you're operating on all these different networks. Now this is how to create a watch on a wallet on these different networks. So I'm going to operate on all these different networks, how you can create a watch on a wallet on all these different networks on your same wallet. All right, so check it out right now. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then comment on the comment section, and then always enable the notification bell button so that whenever I'll give you the sweetest update like this, you get to be the first to see it. So check it out right now. All right. All right, so this is my wallet address. All right, you can see this wallet now. I can send, even if I copy and then paste any address and then send. You see, it's not showing anything like this is a watch on a wallet or something. I can send. In the moment I hit send, whatever I want to send will go. All right, so now we're going to create a watch on a wallet from this particular wallet, and this is a trust wallet, multi-coin wallet. All right, multi-coin, if you check, this is an ERC token. All right, okay, let me assume I want to add the token. Now let me type in any random stuffs and then add custom token. You can see that I can choose from a different list of different networks to add from here. All right, this is a multi-coin wallet, because you can see the rest of the network. All right, so now let's say I want to create a watch on a wallet from this wallet address, and then I just want to see this my coins, and I don't want any. Okay, watch on a wallet. So now what I need to do is copy this smart chain address. Whichever one you copy is still okay. Now let me assume I can still copy this Pitbull address. They are all the same address. All right, they are all the same address. Okay, but when you are sending coin, make sure you copy the right one though. Okay, then click on settings, then click on the wallet at the top, then click on the plus button you are seeing right there. Click on I already have a wallet. All right, then here this is the level where you choose this time around. You're not choosing a multi-coin. No, you're not choosing a multi-coin. What you're choosing is either Ethereum or the network that your coin exists on. All right, so since it's smart chain, let me hit smart chain. All right, at this level you are not seeing the next level where I'm going to, you're not seeing you're not going to see because it's like a kind of private section. All right, so the next level is where I'm going to paste my address. All right, so there, now when you click there, you will see phrase key storages son and then private key and then address. Now you tap on address and then you paste that address. All right, let me name it watch on a wallet. All right, I paste it and then click import. So the moment you click import, it will be loading and then boom, you have your watch on a wallet here. So in most cases your coins will eventually be popping up. All right, so now if you want to see the rest of the coin, now this is what you do: is you copy their contract ID and then you add them individually on this section. But if you cannot do that, I'm going to show you a simple way you can actually find out all the coins on this wallet address and then add them up. So the best way to make this coin actually reflect every other coin that's on the wallet is to add them up individually, and most times you may not be able to find them. So this is the best way you can go about this. Now if you go to your browser, then tap on BScan. All right, you tap on the network where the coin exists on, that is the scan. Like if it's Ethereum, if it's a watch on a Ethereum wallet, you tap on Etherscan. All right, so just paste in the address here, paste it in, and boom, I'll be able to see all the coins that is on the address. Can you see? All right, let me tap on Pitbull. When I tap on it, I copy the contract address, go back, come here, and then tap on that button right here to add it up. All right, I don't know if you guys saw the button I tap on just here. All right, add it up, tap there. Let me just paste it in here. Okay, if it doesn't come up, just paste it here and it comes up. Okay, that one reflects. So in the same manner, without wasting time, I will be able to add every other coin that you are seeing on this wallet address right on here. And you can see if I tap, now this is the difference between this wallet and the other wallet. Now if I tap receive here, click on smartchain, it will pop watch on it, which means I can send coin to this wallet address, but I can't receive, but I can send out of the wallet address. Okay, if I tap send smartchain, it's watch on it, I can send. All right, so I can literally send it. Okay, so even if I tap on a coin and then decide to send watch on it, I cannot send. All right, so that's how to create a watch on a wallet on a smart chain. Let's assume I want to create a watch on this same wallet on Ethereum, using on a Ethereum network. The same manner, click on settings, click on wallet, click on that plus button at the top right hand side, click on I already have a wallet. Then this time around I choose Ethereum and then choose address and then paste it in. Let me call this one wallet 2, paste it in. So there is, this is the watch on the address on the Ethereum network. All right, so let's add other network. Nevertheless, in the same manner, you can copy. If you, let's say you have let's say Ethereum Classic, all right, on your wallet. Let me add it up. Let me see if I can add it up here. Let me see Ethereum Classic, let me enable it. Now if you notice, Ethereum Classic has a different address from the main wallet address. Can you see the Ethereum Classic that ends with 0? And let's see the main wallet address. You see it ends with D. All right, so Ethereum Classic address on your main wallet address ends, they are different. All right, so if I copy this, come here, I already have a wallet, and then search for Ethereum Classic, and then paste it in there. All right, paste it in, import wallet. Now all the tokens Ethereum Classic and all the tokens on Ethereum Classic will reflect, all the coins on Ethereum Classic will actually reflect here. So the same way you have done this, we can literally cover the entire network. That's the same way you do for all all the different networks that your coin exists on. I hope you've been able to learn something in this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment in the comment section. Please do not send money to anybody in the comment section. You can as well send me some little donation if you if you want to support my channel, or if you want to sponsor any video. Feel free to send any donation. I'll be glad, and then I'll reinvest them into videos like this. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in my next video.